Hi guys, thank you for tuning in. Today we're going to be making griot. This is a requested video. So many people have asked me to show you how to make griot, so here it is. First, you're gonna cut your pork pieces into chunks. You're gonna wash your pork with vinegar and lemon juice as usual. Then you're going to season it with Haitian épices. So you can season it for about 4 hours to 24 hours. I've seasoned mine for exactly 24 hours. So let's get started. First, you're gonna add the meat to a pot. Then you're going to add 2 cups of water. And you're gonna bring everything to a boil for about 30 minutes. So once your meat starts to boil, you're going to stir occasionally until the meat is tender. So after about 20 to 30 minutes, you will remove the meat from the sauce. You can put it in a bowl and it's gonna be ready to be fried. So the next step will be to fry it either in your deep fryer or on the stove. So this is what it looks like after being in the deep fryer for about 2-3 minutes. It's nice and crispy. And this is how it should look. Okay, you guys, that's it. You can add some onion rings to decorate it, and of course you need your pickles to go with it. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video.